In 2015, the Kepler Space Telescope was staring at a patch of sky between the constellations Cygnus and Lyra, looking for planets. It found something else. It found a star officially named KIC 8462852, but known informally as Tabby's star. Normal stars shine steadily. If a planet passes in front of them, the light dips by about 1%. Tabby's star doesn't do that. Its light was dipping wildly, sometimes by 15%, sometimes by 22%. The dips were random, they were chaotic, and they were massive. No planet is big enough to block that much light. Astronomers tried to explain it away. Was it a massive cloud of comets? Was it a shattered moon? The math didn't add up, which left one hypothesis that nobody wanted to say out loud, until astrophysicist Jason Wright finally did. Aliens should always be the very last hypothesis you consider, but this looked like something you would expect an alien civilization to build. He wasn't talking about a spaceship. He was talking about a megastructure, a structure so vast it could wrap around an entire star. To understand why someone would build this, we have to understand the economics of the universe. And in space, the only currency that matters is energy. In 1964, Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kardashev proposed a scale to rank civilizations not by their technology, but by their energy consumption. It's a ladder with 3 rungs. A Type 1 civilization, a planetary civilization, can use and store all the energy available on its home planet. This means total mastery of the world. They control the weather. They harvest the energy of volcanoes and earthquakes. They have zero reliance on fossil fuels. Where are humans on this scale? We aren't a Type 1 yet. Carl Sagan calculated that we are about a Type 0.7. We are still burning dead plants to keep the lights on. But eventually, a civilization will run out of energy on its planet. If they want to keep growing, they have to look up. This is the jump to Type 2, a stellar civilization. A Type 2 civilization can harvest the total energy output of its star. Our sun produces 400 septillion watts of energy every second. We catch almost none of it. Most of it just blasts out into useless space. A Type 2 civilization captures it all. How? In 1960, physicist Freeman Dyson proposed the ultimate energy project, the Dyson Sphere. Now, this isn't a solid shell around a star that would be unstable. It's more likely a Dyson swarm. Imagine billions of massive solar mirrors, orbiting the sun in a dense, shifting cloud, catching every photon and beaming the power back to habitats. Building one would require astronomical resources. You would have to dismantle entire planets, like Mercury, just to get the raw materials. But if you pull it off, your civilization becomes immortal. You have infinite energy. You are masters of your solar system. And this brings us back to Tabby's star. The chaotic dimming we see is exactly what a half-built Dyson swarm would look like from Earth. Massive, irregular panels orbiting a star, blocking its light as they pass. We might be looking at a construction site on a galactic scale. But if Type 2s exist, what about Type 3? A Type 3 civilization controls the energy of its entire galaxy. They wouldn't just wrap one star, they would wrap billions of them. They would colonize the entire Milky Way, turning the galaxy into a single, connected neural network of energy and trade. A Type 3 civilization would be gods. Their engineering would be visible across the entire universe. And that is the most terrifying part of the Kardashev Scale. We have looked at 100,000 nearby galaxies. We should see them. We should see galaxies that are half dark, their stars wrapped in Dyson spheres. We should hear their radio chatter, but we see nothing. The universe is dark and it is quiet. This is the Fermi Paradox. If the universe is billions of years old and Type 3 civilizations are possible, where is everybody? Are we the first ones here? Or is there something else, a great filter that stops civilizations from ever reaching Type 3? Do they all destroy themselves with nuclear weapons or rogue AI before they can leave their star? Or perhaps they are hiding because they know something about the dark forest of the universe that we don't.